Welcome to my channel, and today I'm just gonna do just a smoky, glittery, beautiful glam look, and I'm gonna be using the Colourpop Not a Box of Chocolates palette, which this is what the inside of this looks like. And I think we're also going to throw in a Colourpop Super Shock Shadow. And this one, I believe, is in this shade Cheap Date, but for some reason the thing on the back that tells you the shade name is missing. So, just had to change the camera battery because, of course, I'd been filming for 2 seconds and my camera dies. So I'm going to go ahead and try and get this show on the road because I have no idea how much battery life my battery that I have in my camera right now has. So this might be a fun one, you guys. You guys might get to see half a video. I don't know. So I just kind of want to do that like cute smoky glittery eye. So let's start with the shade Amaretto, which is this shade right here. And if I'm not as talkative, again, it's because just a little worried and I just want to get this show on the road, get it done so I'm good. And yeah, I'm not freaking out because I don't think I have any charged batteries. Yeah, it's been a wild couple days. Like not in a bad way, but just in the I have just had a lot going on and haven't been able to keep up with my normal stuff. And today's actually Christmas Eve, so yeah, I would say Merry Christmas. I mean, I guess, you know, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you choose to celebrate. But this video probably won't be going up till sometime in the new year, so also Happy New Year. I had to pre-film all my videos, so I never really know when things are going to go up because it all just depends on my husband edits everything, so whenever he has time to edit things, that's pretty much when they go up, so. And I only have time to film like on the weekends or if I get an odd day off of work, which is usually like around the holidays, so. It was a beautiful, beautiful shade. I want to go in and just deepen it a little bit. I don't know why every time I try to stack my brushes on my little palette thing I have, because they promptly go falling off. It's like wasted my time. Okay, so I want to deepen it up with the shade Crazy for Cocoa, which is this shade right here. I'm just going to get this a little lower and a little more in the crease. It's all about the blend. And also the hair getting in the way. But what's new? Alright, now I'm going to go with just a nice packer brush. And I'm going to do that outer corner with the shade 90% Keiko. And I'm just keeping this part super, super low. Okay. Now, I'm going to take that Super Shock shade and just with my finger, just going to press that in right here. Which I usually end up having to take a brush because my fingers are too big to get in that very, very, very corner spot. So, I'm just going to take a small brush and pick some of this up and just make sure I get it exactly where I want it. And just kind of blend it out a little more. Okay. And I'm just going to kind of basically do the same thing for the other eye. Start off using my finger and then just going with the brush to kind of fine tune things. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with that first brush I used, and I just kind of want to gently blend everything out a little bit more. Like there's nothing else on this, I just want to kind of give it a little extra blend. Okay. Now for the lower lash line, I just want to take a teeny tiny brush and let's take the shade Tiramisu right here, and we're just going to put that on the lower lash line, just gently to kind of smoke it out. Not sure if you guys can hear that, but there's some sirens going off in the background outside. Okay, now I'm going to take that Super Shock shadow, and that's going to be our lower inner corner highlight. Alright, now I'm going to go do my mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and this is the finished look. And again, I accomplished this using the Colourpop Not a Box of Chocolates palette. And here is what the inside of this beautiful palette looks like. And the Super Shock shadow in the shade Cheap Date. And here is what that looks like. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's just a really, really pretty gold glittery shade, which you guys can see. And the lip that I am wearing, this is the LA Girl Lip Mousse in the shade Slay. And I am just so impressed with these lippies. Like, here's what the applicator and everything looks like. These are phenomenal. They are $2.99 online at Ulta. And I think currently, which this will probably change by the time this video goes up, but if it doesn't, check it out. They were like buy two get one free. And yeah, I love the way this is wearing. Yes, this is the first time I've worn it, but it is comfortable. It has not budged and beautiful colors. So check those out. And just thank y'all so much for watching this video, for supporting my channel, for giving this video a thumbs up, for subscribing, for commenting. Just, it means so much to me, and I just hope y'all have an amazing new year. Just please stay safe wherever you are, and I hope you're having a wonderful day or night, and I will see you in the next one.